After my two C-sections deliveries, I gained 35 kgs. I was going through serious marriage insecurities where I almost lost all my confidence. I gained so much of weight that I started hating myself looking into the mirror. Self-love was a toss. I even underwent postpartum depression, but finally managed to lose 35 kgs in next 6 months. Hey everyone, this is Ruchita Batra, nutritionist and a lifestyle fitness coach, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can lose 12 to 15 kgs without giving up on your favorite foods like rice and roti and going to the gym. I've helped more than 10,000 women in this journey, and I'm so confident about this system that if this system that fails to give you a result in first 7 days, I am going to refund all your money back, no questions asked. But before I dive into the deep secrets of weight loss, let me tell you why you should listen to me. Since childhood, I was always obese. I thought to myself, it's in my genes, as it's so normal in the family. After all, we are Punjabis. But my belief system came to crash the moment I underwent through the pressure of getting married to my boyfriend, and I wanted to lose 10 kgs in just 1 month because I literally wanted to get fit into my favorite shadi ka lehenga. Hell-bent determined, I did anything and everything on this planet. Starvation, crash diet, water diets, pills, carb blockers, mummy ka khana bilkul nahi khana. But I succeeded and I was looking so beautiful on my wedding day. I was on cloud 9. But the moment I landed into my in-laws, I went through a serious wardrobe crisis because I ended up having nothing before my honeymoon. And before I could figure out why did this happen to me and my weight bounced back, I had a good news: I conceived. And during my pregnancy, not much, I just gained 35 kgs and had to go through C-section. I was already into a confused state after my newborn was born. And before I could cope up with the situation, I started hearing remarks not only from my husband but my friends and family. कितनी मोटी हो गई है तू, कुछ लेती क्यों नहीं, ऐसा कब तक चलेगा, and random pieces of weight loss advices without even realizing I just delivered a baby. This gave me serious insecurities, crashed my confidence, and took me to the hollow world of loneliness. And watching my husband drifting away in the first year of my marriage just because I have gained some weight, I was devastated. So I decided to get back the attention of my husband and losing some weight. Simple tha. I just went to the Google, started searching how to lose weight as I'm a lactating mother. I wanted to prove that I am worthy of love and attention. So I did everything best in my power to get back in shape. And this is what? 9 months to gain, 9 months to lose. And I was absolutely fitting back in my shadi wala lehenga. I was so proud of myself, but my real challenges started from now. I was so hard to maintain my weight on everyday basis that I was overburdened with the responsibilities of my small child, cooking separate meals for my family and maintaining household chores. I was under constant pressure of calculating my macros, how much protein to eat, what are the calories, and which diet to follow. I was under constant fear. What if I gain my weight back? That did not give me the audacity to touch rice and roti. And again I started hearing remarks from my family, कब तक ऐसी dieting करेगी, कब तक खाना नहीं खाएगी. This impacted my social life very damagingly. And this time I thought to myself कि यार बात तो सही बोल रहे हैं, कब तक मैं खाने से भागूंगी. Let me fix this. But before I could figure out something for myself, I conceived again. And this time I promised to myself I'm not going to repeat the mistakes and stay in my senses. Trust me, I didn't want you to do the same mistake twice. क्योंकि weight lose करना कितना मुश्किल है, ये तो जानते ही हो ना आप. But I don't know what happened. Cravings hit me so hard that I actually ended up gaining 35 kgs back again. And this time my C-section didn't go well. My surgery had some complications which gave me back issues, and I was even unable to move out of the bed. And because of this, my postnatal recovery even got delayed. My doctors told me I also have diastasis recti. I didn't realize when postpartum depression hit me so hard and I started losing my confidence. I made very clear announcement to my friends and family to not put a remark at this point of time under my medical conditions. Actually, they were very supportive and gave me full strength. But I don't know why I was always under constant stress, anxiety. I also developed insomnia, and I used to think it's only because now I'm a mother of 2 kids and maybe responsibilities zyada hai. I vividly remember one fine day I was absolutely alone with my 2 children. There was no house help. And just after 2 hours, I saw myself howling on the call to my mother, please help. I just can't handle my own kids because of my backache issues and anxiety attacks. I was unable to run after my own children. That was the time which shook me, because I used to think I'll be a bad or a selfish mother if I concentrate on my weight loss, because I wanted to give them time and priority. But on the contrary, actually my physical, mental and emotional health was so deteriorated that I was failing as a mother. That was the time when I decided for myself, instead of dying for my children, I'm going to live better and healthier. बस फिर क्या था? 9 months to gain, 9 months to lose, and I was absolutely back in shape. I thought I'm done for my life, but मुझे क्या पता था picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. And the serious battle that I was struggling with was now weight loss plateau. No matter whatever I was trying, it was not working for me, because I had gone through every single piece of information on Google, tried endless diet plans, starvation till the death, shakes, pills, high protein diet plans, but कुछ भी करके मेरा weight अब नीचे नहीं जा रहा था. In fact, my serious health battles were about to begin, and finally I was diagnosed with nutritional deficiency which caused me PCOS. I was on sleeping pills and even diagnosed with postnatal depression. And that was the time when I realized I need a serious professional help who can take me from this condition to a healthier, sensible and a sustainable weight loss that I can do. And this is what makes me stand in front of you, that whatever mistakes that I have made in my weight loss journey, any woman doesn't have to go through it. The cost of damage is way too high, and this is what I have learned from my mistakes and made a foolproof system that guarantees weight loss for you. Now I know you're trying everything in your power to lose weight but still struggling to see the progress, and the reality is very simple. You are unaware some of the top secrets of weight loss industry which is keeping you away from your progress. So let me share them with you. Secret number 1: why gyms and exercise do not help in lose weight. How many times have you seen those aunties who are so committed, go out for their workouts and their walk? You've seen over a decade that they have dropped their size. 9, right? And most of the women actually fear that exercise करना पड़ेगा या gym जाएंगे तभी तो weight loss होगा, and this is what exactly crashes their motivation to take an action. That's why let me openly reveal it to you so that it gets your enthusiasm back instantly. Science shows that diet is 75% and exercise is 25%, and rushing back to extensive workouts immediately after your pregnancy can actually delay your postpartum recovery. And if you are somebody who's suffering from diastasis recti or probably going through the complication just as I did after my surgery, you need to be more careful before you choose your workouts. I want you to meet Sivya. What does she has to say? Look, she never had that inclination towards workout. Starting 20 kgs, I lost without any kind of workout. Actually, I was lazy and scared of workout and only followed your easy diet plan. But you had explained me how diet plan and workout will work. I was 90, now 62. If she can do it, you can do it too. Number 2, dieting definitely affects your breastfeeding. As a nutritionist, I often hear, अगर मैं dieting करूंगी तो मेरी milk supply पे effect पड़ेगा, इसलिए मेरी mother-in-law बोलते हैं कि ये सब ड्रामे करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And you know what? She is right. But let me tell you the secret. Only if you follow a bad diet. The diets that are restrictive in calories lack nutrition, like IF, keto or detox diet plans which are highly deficient in calories. They definitely put an impact. But on the other hand, if your diet is nutritionally balanced, you are getting the entire nutrients by using your staple foods like rice and roti. You actually make a difference. If you choose quick fix diets or rely on sugary lactation powder, here's what can happen. Milk supply can drop because of your body that lacks right nutrients. Weight loss hits a plateau because the sugar keeps the insulin levels high, locking in fat. You feel fatigued and frustrated, and your health takes a toll at a backseat. On the other hand, a diet which is full in nutrition and has got well-balanced meals like rice and roti can not only help you to lose weight but also support in your breastfeeding. You're stuck because nobody told you dieting and breastfeeding can coexist. I understand that you are in a fear कहीं weight loss के चक्कर में आपके breastfeeding पे तो नहीं effect हो जाएगा, and finally you have to compromise on your baby's health. But trust me, that is what nobody told you. It's not about eating less, it's all about eating smart. The bottom line is, if you follow a bad diet, yes, your breastfeeding will suffer. But if you choose the right plan, you will nourish your body, baby, and lose weight by feeling amazing. Meet Sugandha. She not only lost 7 kgs in just 1 month while she was breastfeeding without any issue, but her periods came back and all the pain in the body after delivery subsided. This is what happens when you actually lose weight with the right way, with the right diet plan. Your good diet becomes the blessing for the baby. Secret number 3, inflammation controls the numbers on the weighing scales. As a nutritionist, I am here to spill the truth, what most people don't talk about. The numbers on the weighing scale is not directly proportionate to what foods you are going to eat, but it actually depends on your metabolism, which is the response of your gut health that might be producing inflammation in the body. You might have experienced some days your clothes get tighter, you get a stiff back whenever you get up in the morning. शाम तक आते आते ठीक हो जाता है. Your rings get tighter, your face is puffy or swollen up. That's nothing but inflammation. Inflammation is the body's response to an imbalanced gut where bad gut microbiome increases and gives you symptoms and syndromes like PCOS, thyroid and diabetes. And it's not your fault that you are failing diet plans. Actually, diet plans are insufficient to target right cause. Moral of the story, once you bring down inflammation, the weight will follow. This is the exact system that Nidhi actually followed and lost her 14 kgs by bringing her inflammation down. She struggled with PCOS, thyroid and post C-section, overwhelming responsibilities because of work-life pressure as she stays in Canada. She felt exhausted all the time, bloated and hopeless because she tried ample number of diet and dietitians. When she joined us, we focused on boosting her metabolism and reducing inflammation, and as a matter of fact, in just 3 months, she lost 14 kgs, but she went from XL to medium the moment she actually got her gut health right. Finally, the secret is out, but the real problem is you. How many of you are still thinking कि मैं internet से देख लूंगी, YouTube पे पूछ लूंगी, Google से check out कर लूंगी? Let me ask you something. Let's say you are at a family function and everybody is having sweet around you, and finally somebody comes and asks you, थोड़ा सा खा ले, क्या ही होगा? Do you think is anybody going to understand what you are going through or the pressures in life? You tell me, who's going to answer you at that point of time? YouTube, which is going to give you an instant answer, or probably Google, who's going to give you a better alternate, or internet, which is going to actually resolve your problem next day even if you cheated. Weight loss is not about information. सबको पता है क्या करना है. Transformation requires 3 important T's. Team, tribe, teacher. A set of people who are like-minded, a team who supports you, and a teacher who walks the path with you and makes sure you reach your destination. Lipika, on the other hand, when she started, she had many diet plans, all the information on this planet, but nothing was working out for her till the time she joined our community. Now today, whenever she's tempted to eat sweets, she just texts and 100 of women come up to lift her spirits. Whenever she's confused at a party, what to eat and what not to eat, our team guides her instantly. Now you think, how many times do you think you need someone who just understands you, give your solutions instantly, and celebrate small wins? This is exactly what you need to do. Get along with like-minded people so that you do not find any more lonely battles. Get yourself a coach who's actually been through the same journey so that no more confusion is there. And share your wins no matter how small. Let me tell you something personal. When I was struggling with my weight loss journey, my husband denied to support me financially, and hence I had to do it on my own by paying a heavy cost. But the moment I understood the importance of investment on my own body, I completely transformed. And this is what made the difference. The moment I joined the coach and became the integral part of her community, everything fell into the place, and it's been a decade that I have been able to maintain my weight and help so many people and contribute in the society. You know why doctors and engineers gets maximum results in my community? Because they understand one thing very clearly. हर एक फील्ड में एक एक्सपर्ट का होना बहुत जरूरी है. You let me know about it. If your child gets sick, you will go to Google or you will go to doctor. If you want to learn driving, you will read books or hire an instructor. Or probably when your child needs education, you will go to YouTube or you will go to school. Then why to experiment with your precious body on your own? That's why I've created the community called as Superwomen's. Imagine late night craving, text your coach. Stuck in a party, get instant food alternatives. Feeling low, 100 sisters to lift you up. Sugar craving, get personalized mindset coach. And this is not all. When you see 100 of women who are in the same boat, struggling as mother, who are trying to lose weight, they don't only inspire but make sure they actually get the accountability to you so that you can always be motivated and get the inspiration back. Sometimes you feel you are blessed and somebody has better problems. Weight loss journey अकेले करोगे, motivation 2 दिन, willpower 3 दिन. But with the right coach and community, transformation is for life. So let me be very honest. Option number 1, continue your solo journey on your own. Keep doing the repetitive diet plans or taking information from the internet and stay in the guilt loop and do the same mistakes every weekend, because 80% of the women fails in first week of their diet plan. And let me tell you, if those YouTube videos and Google would have been working, तो क्या आज आप यहाँ होते? Option number 2, let me help you with the transformation, or you could take the charge to change your life today. Join our proven system which has already helped thousands of women across the globe with a sustainable weight loss without giving up on your favorite foods or cooking separate meals for themselves, and definitely not working hours in the gym. Why this is a better system? Because this is made for real Indian women just like you. And so this is how we are exactly going to transform you in next 90 days. Phase number 1, metabolism reset and revive. Custom diet plans exactly from your kitchen. Sugar detox challenge with proven scientific techniques. Daily motivation and check-ins to keep you energetic and say goodbye to bloating. Phase number 2, activate fat loss. Fat loss accelerator to release stubborn fat. Gut health boost for faster result, and inch loss accelerator to see the visible changes. Get fitter into your clothes and let the confidence soar. Stage number 3, sustain and thrive. Family friendly lifestyle, healthy habits lifestyle, automatic healthy habits, long-term success plan. Stay in control and enjoy the results for life. This is why it is better than any other method. Number 1, real food, real reason. No supplements, no shake, no expensive diet food. Everything is from your kitchen. Reason number 2, built for busy women. It only takes 15 to 20 minutes extra in your kitchen. There is no separate cooking and it fits into your family life. Reason number 3, complete support system. 24/7 coach access in your WhatsApp, lifetime community support to the like-minded people, weekly coaching sessions and accountability factor. Does this sound like something you need in your life? If yes, then I have something very special for you. I want to give you 1 hour one-to-one call with one of our senior experts, where we are going to deep dive into your unique situation, analyze your lifestyle and make a blueprint to help you lose that mummy tummy forever, as we have done for 10,000 women in our community. And that's not all. I want to offer you 3 more amazing bonuses which is going to make your life even easier. So normally this consultation call and all 3 bonus cost you over 15,000, but today just for you, you can have them all in 97. Yes, you heard me right, just rupees 97. But let me ask you something. Do you think you deserve to live a healthier life for your children? Or probably if this weight issue was resolved today, you will feel proud while looking into the mirror. Are you ready to work with the professionals who guarantee results? And if you're nodding yes, then let me hold your hand and walk you through this journey. And here's my bold promise. If you do not find this consultation valuable, your entire amount will be refunded, no questions asked. But let me be honest with you. I'm looking for mothers who are very committed and serious to transform their life physically, emotionally and mentally. As this message is go through many mothers, the slots are going to be limited. So, first come first serve basis will be there. What are you waiting for? Click the link below and I will see you on the other side. Your transformation journey starts from now.